Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send HD photos on Instagram so your pictures stay clear and high quality. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your DMs or Messages tab. Next, open the chat of the person you want to send the photo to. Tap on the gallery or media icon next to the message box. This will open your phone's photo gallery. Um, Now select the picture you want to send. Before sending it, look at the top right corner and tap on the HD option. You'll see a confirmation showing that HD mode is enabled. Now, simply tap Send. Your photo will now be sent in high resolution without losing much quality. And that's it. That's how you can send HD photos on Instagram DMs easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips, DM tricks, and social media tutorials.